As you look at the table of information in column C through J here, the orange colored cells, these represent prices based on perhaps packages. This represents a size of the package. Now, a more sophisticated example might have this broken out by weight, but let's imagine based on the size of a package and where it is to be shipped from a particular location. We've got different shipping zones here. From the table, we want to be able to pull out information based on size and zone. A function called index allows us to pull out information from a large table as long as we provide the row and column reference. So let's imagine a simple example here in cell D11. We want to see the price of an item that's size 3 to be shipped to zone 6, equal index. Index begins with the actual location of the array. Now there is a range name here. You'll see it pop into place as I highlight the cells. The range name is shipping cost, comma. Throughout Excel, you will find different functions that use row and column. It's always the row comes first, RC. Remember that. It's not always the case that everything lines up perfectly, but in this particular example, it does. The size here is 3, and so we can use this cell right here if we wished. If we were doing it manually, we just type a 3, but let's use the cell right here that has the size. That gives us the row number, comma, and the column number here, it's the 6th column. That's found right here. That's the zone. So what's it going to cost? And looking ahead, you can see where the 3 and the 6 intersect this way, $35.29. And that's the answer. So we pulled out information from a table based on the row and column number. Now in columns L, M, N, and O, we see a similar need for this. We've got a huge list of items, and we want to know what the shipping cost is based on the size of the item in the shipping zone. So once again, the index function here, we're looking at this table again, so either type it or highlight it, comma, and the row number we need here relates to the size. That's going to come out of cell M2, comma, and the shipping zone is going to represent the zones here, the column number, that's right here. And we're all done with that. Enter, and we'll recopy this. And you can see how we've used the index function in these examples to pull information out of a table based on a row and column reference.